Hi everyone, I have an easy Valentine's Day dessert. It comes from A Man, a Can, a Plan, and I will leave the recipe down below, the link to the book, and the nutritional value. And who can argue with easy? Today I'll be making cherry chocolate chippers. What all goes into the cherry chocolate chippers? 15-ounce can of cherry pie filling or any flavor that you like. This is 21 ounces, so I won't be using all of it. And the stores must think that you have to make a lot of chocolate chip cookies. This is 30 ounces. I only need 18 ounces, so I'll only be using part of this. And 3/4 cups rolled oats. So let's begin. So I have my kitchen scale here. It's at 0. I'll put my bowl on there and tear it out to 0. And I'll put my dough in there. And this I let soften a little bit too much, I believe. I wanted it just to be easy to mix. So the final weight is 18.05 ounces. That's close enough. Preheat your oven to 350. So it calls for an 8-inch skillet. I'm going to be using this 9-inch pie pan. I don't have a skillet that will work, that's flat on the bottom like that. So you want to spray it. It didn't say to do that, but I think it's a good idea. So take a bowl and dump in your cookie dough, which was 18 ounces, and your 3/4 cup of the oats, and mix that thoroughly. And I'm glad I softened it, so it'll be easier to mix. Now get this all mixed up, and I will be right back. So the best way to get it mixed up is with your clean hands. So take your prepared skillet, 8-inch skillet, in my case, 9-inch pie pan, and put in your cookie dough and oats, and then just spread that out, press it down. I'm going to go up against the sides just like a pie, and I'll finish that and I'll be right back. I am just flattening the bottom and get it as level as can be. That looks pretty good. Then take your cherry pie filling and pour it in the bottom and spread it out evenly. Never tried this, but I am thinking this is going to be really, really good. Get to the edges. I think this will be a great Valentine's Day dessert. Put your cherry chocolate chippers in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. So here it is after 25 minutes. The cookie part is nice and brown. The cherries have settled into their new home. I will let this cool off completely, and then when Dave gets home after supper tonight, we'll do a taste test. So here is the cherry chocolate chippers. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Oh, there's some chocolate?
Chocolate chips. It's chocolate chip cookies mixed with oats and cherry pie filling in the center.
That's interesting. It tastes kind of like chocolate covered cherries, a little bit. Of course, not with the cookie part, but that's really tasty.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.